What if I told you this tiny mountain kingdom hides one of Africa's tallest waterfalls? Welcome to Lesotho. This is Maletsunyane Falls, a single sheet of water dropping nearly 200 meters into deep gorge. Set in the heart of the Lesotho highlands, the landscape feels untouched, wild and breathtaking. And for 3 seconds, you can abseil down the cliff, making it one of the highest commercial abseils in the world. Nearby, the town of Semokong is where locals ride on horseback, wrapped in colorful Lesotho blankets, living in harmony with the land. Lesotho may be small, but places like Maletsunyane prove it's packed with wonders worth the journey. Would you dare to stand at the edge? Drop down your comment in the comment section below.